image enhancement brand. It aims at honing and enhancing the fundamental tenets of courtesy, respect, and etiquette that all cultures have inherent in them around the world, and then aligning them with accepted modes of behavior in today's globalized world. It is important to be grounded in certain historical facts here. If we take episodes of Indian history in different eras, be it Emperor Ashoka's age, Gupta dynasty, Maratha, Mughal eras, or the period of the British rule, we see certain codes of conduct in the courts, palaces, and in the westernized offices that the British introduced. Think of some of the period movies you may have seen and how messengers spoke in the king's courts, or of how kings and queens interacted in their personal rooms with each other or with their staff. There were always certain rules and propriety followed. In personal family lives, regardless of a family's station, every religion or culture has prescribed certain ceremonies in life, including those for women getting pregnant, for children at their birth, few ceremonies to follow for children during their growing years, first steps outside the house, first steps towards education, first long distance journey, etc. There are other cultural ceremonies around starting new jobs, marriage, housewarming ceremonies, and around death. Every civilization has attempted to set some rules around life's stages and milestones, almost like replicating nature's rhythmic cycle of seasons. I have been questioned sometimes if Indians are copying and acting like the British or Westerners by following all the rules that we currently follow or urge everyone to follow. I tell them in India, the majority of our rules are derived from British common laws. Most of the work around scientific technology has been taken from other nations. This should bring a smile to your face. The truth is not that we are aping the Westerners. It is important to recognize that we are a part and product of layers of history. Modern governance was started by the British with the establishment of their common laws. They brought in Western systems of work into bureaucratic offices, courts, which became common across the length and breadth of our country. Today, whether it is government work or collaborated work in the globalized private sector, certain norms have become essential to know and follow. Doing this in no way distances us from our cultural heritage. We remain true to our respective religions when it comes to rites and ceremonies for the important stages of our lives. But when it comes to work culture, certain modes of professional behavior have become essential in order to be internationally aligned with global norms. In addition to these, certain traits acquired from other cultures and countries have become part of our ways of life in our personal and private lives over time. Soft Launch aims to hone these subtle traits and skills. We aim to maximize the potential of people by enhancing their expression in personal interactions. Our programs and consultations are not only for young college students, but also for people just joining the workforce or for professionals who have work experience, but still feel shy and lack confidence to deal with the powerful setup of the corporate world. It is also appropriate for men and women who are homemakers and feel that they don't have an identity, or because being confined to the domestic routine lack the confidence to go out or just interact with others. Beginning with joining work or starting a new job or presenting in a conference room or being at an interview or a date or when getting married. One's gestures, body language, voice, physical grooming and appearance are ways of communication with people of different ages and experience groups. Everything gets taken into account by people around us. Knowing all these things well makes it easier to slide into these roles of life. Mastery over these skills is an important part of one's life journey and brings about success in all endeavors, coupled with one's knowledge and expertise in the field of one's choosing. Again, all this should not be pretentious or mechanical, but a natural part of one's personality. Soft Launch will enhance your confidence, style, elegance, as well as your health and fitness, making you feel confident to take on an Indian or international scenario at any stage of life. We do have a basic program which includes fundamentals on how to make an unforgettable impression on others, project confidence, tips on health, personal care, communication, deportment, body language, getting the basics of style and a basic wardrobe right, travel tips, financial management tips, and essentials of business etiquette. In this program, there are suggestions that keep you grounded in your world of family, friends, colleagues, and social circle with full responsibility while you work on enhancing your overall personality. I suggest you go for the entire basic program and practice it for a few months and observe the difference it will make to your life. How it will boost your confidence during interactions in your personal and professional life. It is a holistic package touching all fundamentals of grooming and confidence for everyone. However, it is not compulsory to do the program in its entirety. You can take a look at the topics on the website and choose some if you don't want to do all of them. There is a video introduction on it, followed by a PDF chapter that will be sent across to you. Thereafter, after completing each chapter, I give a 30-minute personal question and answer session on live video without any extra cost. We can fix a mutually convenient time and then fix a conference call where I will personally clear your doubts. Then there is an advanced program. As we know that there is no one size fits all, this is what we call the personal consultation. Depending on your station and desire, you can choose to book a consultation either online or at the New Delhi studio, which includes color consultancy, body shape, and personal style analysis. Full details would be given on what color shades and types of outfits you should choose that suit your personality, complexion, and body for different times and occasions. Depending on the image you want to project at different stages of life or career, detailed explanations would be given on what kind of clothes to wear and when, how to use prints, color combinations, and lessons will be provided on efficient wardrobe management. You can gradually build a superior quality wardrobe within a budget that suits you. Assistance in personal shopping can be provided as a stylist in order to build a more suitable and better quality wardrobe. This advanced program is conducted one-on-one with private clients where we guard our clients' privacy while ensuring that they get the best outcome that they are desirous of. Doing both the basic and advanced programs will improve your overall personality and enhance your image in your personal and professional world. This is the culmination of a whole range of subtle changes in various aspects of your life. But when put together, they make a world of a difference in a person's life. Various college interns, young professionals, business professionals, and newly wedded men and women have already benefited from this course. And the feedback they give us about how others are noticing the new beautiful spark in them is the most sought after reward for us. So join us to bring out the new you with this basic and advanced program. Thank you.